Welcome to my channel Competitive Exam Warriors. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit the bell button to stay updated to my latest notifications. All of you to my channel Competitive Exam Warriors. Today I'll be discussing with you another important static topic, and today's topic, as you can see over here, it's banks headquarters and taglines. This topic will be extremely important for the people who are going to appear for upcoming SBI Clerk Mains, SBI PO Mains, or any banking exam in near future. And as usual, it will be presented by me, that's educator Shovik Maitra. Before proceeding further, let's have a look at my achievement section. You can see it over here. If you are a new viewer, you can have a look at all these things. Otherwise, you can proceed further. Now, since this is related to static GK, obviously it's important for any banking aspirant, any essay aspirant, railways, and also insurance guys too. If you want to get hold of the PDF of this current lecture, you can definitely get hold of it from my Telegram channel. Just search in the Telegram app Learn with Shovik. If you haven't downloaded Telegram app till now, you can download it from Play Store if you're using an Android phone, and for iPhone user you can download it from iOS Store. If you want to take Unacademy's plus subscription course on any category, be it UPSC, be it banking, be it anywhere, you can use my code PLUSR4SV. If you use this code, then you will be getting flat 10% off on any Unacademy plus subscription courses. Proceeding further, let's go straight to today's topic, that is banks headquarters with taglines. Banks who have their headquarters in Bombay. First, have a look at this. I'm telling you a short trick, although I don't personally believe in tricks, but still sometimes tricks do work, so I'm telling you a short trick over here. That is the banks which end with of India. Remember, the banks which end with of India, this will have its headquarters in Bombay. Obviously is the exception, but let's look at the banks which are having ending with of India and who are having headquarters in Mumbai itself, and their taglines too. First of all, IDBI Bank. Although it is now categorized under private sector bank, I think it's effective from January 2019 according to RBI guidelines, but previously it belonged to a public sector bank. So it is written under public sector bank, although it is now categorized under private sector bank. IDBI Bank, its tagline is banking for all. Another one is Aao Soche Bada. And this bank has headquarters in Mumbai itself. Bank of India, relationship beyond banking. Next one, like Union Bank of India, its tagline is good people to bank with. State Bank of India, it has got multiple taglines. I am just telling you one over here, that is pure banking, nothing else. Central Bank of India's tagline is central to you since 1911. Now, exception to this rule, that is the banks which are ending with of India but who don't have headquarters in Bombay, that is Dena Bank. Although this bank is not existent now, it has been merged with Bank of Baroda in the year 2019, but still you need to know its tagline is headquarters, that is Trusted Family Bank or Dena Hai to Bharosa Hai. Its headquarters is Mumbai. And United Bank of India, another bank which is non-existent now after its merger with Punjab National Bank, but still you must know its headquarters, that's in Kolkata, and its tagline, that is the bank that begins with U. Now next one, let's look at some private sector banks which are having their headquarters in Mumbai itself, that is ICICI Bank, Hum Hai Na Khayal Aapka. Very very important private sector bank. Next, like Axis Bank, Bharti Ka Naam Zindagi. HDFC Bank, We Understand Your World. Kotak Mahindra Bank, Let's Make Money Simple. Last one, Yes Bank, Experience Our Expertise. Coming to next one, let's have a look at the banks who are having the headquarters in Kolkata. Like United Bank of India, already I've said in the exception one, the bank that begins with U. UCO Bank, it still exists now, that's tagline is Honors Your Trust. Allahabad Bank, a traditional trust, non-existent bank now, it has merged with Indian Bank. Bandhan Bank, it's a private sector bank which is having its headquarters in Kolkata itself, and its tagline is Aapka Bhala Sabki Bhalai. Okay. Now let's have a look at the banks which are having the headquarters in Chennai, that is Indian Bank, your tech-friendly bank. Allahabad Bank has been merged with Indian Bank, that is Indian Bank is now the parent bank. And Indian Overseas Bank, its tagline is good people to grow with. Next one, that is banks having headquarters in New Delhi. Trick over here is banks starting with Punjab, that is starting with the keyword that is Punjab, they have the headquarters in New Delhi. It's a short trick. Like Punjab National Bank, PNB, we often say, that is the tagline is the name you can bank upon. Punjab and Sindh Bank, its tagline is where service is a way of life. Next one, an exception over here, Bharatiya Mahila Bank, it has been merged into SBI in the year 2017, that is effective on 1st April 2017. This bank has been merged into SBI and its tagline is Empower Women, okay, and its headquarters was at the time in New Delhi. Now, banks having headquarters in Bengaluru, Vijaya Bank, this bank is also not existent now, it has been merged into Bank of Baroda in the year 2019. So Vijaya Bank, a friend you can bank upon, is its tagline, and Canara Bank, together we can. Sometimes it may so happen that although these banks are not exist now, but still you may be asked like a bank which existed previously named Vijaya Bank, its tagline is headquarter. Sometimes you can expect a question like this, so you must know its headquarter and tagline. Next one, some miscellaneous public sector banks. Let's have a look at these things. Like Oriental Bank of Commerce, its headquarters is in Gurugram and its tagline is where every individual is committed. Andhra Bank, its headquarters is in Hyderabad, much more to do in focus. Bank of Baroda, its corporate office is in Mumbai, but its headquarters is in Vadodara, Gujarat, and its tagline is India's International Bank. Now coming to another important bank like Bank of Maharashtra, its headquarters is in Pune, Maharashtra, as the name also signifies, and its tagline is One Family, One Bank. Syndicate Bank, its headquarters is in Manipal, Karnataka, and its tagline is Your Faithful and Friendly Financial Partner. Corporation Bank is headquarters in Bangalore, that's also in Karnataka, and its tagline is a premier public sector bank. Last one, that is, let's have a look at some miscellaneous private sector banks like South Indian Bank, its headquarters in Thrissur, that's in Kerala. Experience Next Generation Banking, sorry for that. Experience Next Generation Banking, okay. Now next slide is Karnataka Bank, its headquarters is in Bangalore. Your family bank across India is tagline. Karur Vaishya Bank, important private sector bank, is headquarters in Karur, that's in Tamil Nadu, and its tagline is Smart Way to Bank. Lakshmi Vilas Bank, its headquarters in Karur, Tamil Nadu again, and its tagline is The Changing Face of Prosperity. Federal Bank is headquarters in Kochi, previously is known as Cochin, COCHI in Kerala, and its tagline is Your Perfect Banking Partner. Okay. And RBL Bank is headquarters in Kolha, that's in Maharashtra. This tagline I don't know. If you know, you can leave it in the comment section. Now Dena Vijay and Bank of Baroda, these two formed a bigger bank, that is second largest public sector bank after State Bank of India, that is Bank of Baroda, effective from 1st April 2019. And mega merger happened when I think 12 public sector banks merged into 4. That was effective from 1st April 2020 itself. So